Hi, if you're watching this video, you probably had problems with the Hunter Douglas PowerRise blind. The good news is that there's a fix. In the past, they used these tubes that held the batteries. Well, they corroded on each end, and they also corroded up in the blind itself. But Hunter Douglas came up with a great fix. It's a retrofit kit, and it's free. I'll repeat, it's free. I'll zoom in on the instructions, which shows you the items to order. So you can just stop the video a minute and look at those items. But you call the 1-800 number on Hunter Douglas, and they send you the kit for free. It's pretty easy to install. They send, this is one packet here. There's the battery holder. The battery's going here. There's a cord connector there, and then there's this mounting bracket, and this goes over the batteries, the battery pack. So really, all you do at the end, I'll show you what the end result looks like. You've got up on the window, you'll see the power pack goes behind the blind, and it fits in really nicely. And then you've got a extension wire that goes right to the blind itself. So that all works pretty well. You can see that it works great now. Well, I gotta get over here. So blinds work now when they didn't before. Probably the hardest part about doing this is right in here. This is the blind. Hold it off. I don't know if you can see it very well or not, but there's this is the cord for the power that's in there now. You have to take I took needle nose wires and pulled the current power unit out of there, and they send you this little white wire, and it goes right into that same spot. Plugs right in like that. It's a little hard getting that power piece out initially, but once you do, the other one goes in real cleanly. Really, and that's about it. You put the blinds back up, and it works perfectly. I want to thank Hunter Douglas for doing this. It's a great repair kit, and works well.